Hello, it's me Kiran Sapkota belonging from the British College Kathmandu. So I am going to clarify the new Laravel project named as Kiran 1. Before going or explaining the project, I want to describe about the installation process. For that I have used PHP and Composer. After successfully set up, I have created the Laravel project named as Kiran. So now I want to describe about the basic routing. For that I have entered into resources and then gone to routes, and I have entered in web.php. You can see the code there, and the output of this program is you can see on the Chrome. I have created a sign in page, uh, so you can add their email and password. So now I want to describe about the layout blade. uh, first first of all, go to resource file and select view folder. After that, in view folder I have created new folder named as layouts. In layouts folder I have created two files named as new.blade.php and secondly app.blade.php. Basically these layouts files are used by all blade files, as there are app and nav.blade.php, where I have put navigation and footer bar for this application, and the output of this program is seen on the browser. So this is the common folder. uh, So now I want to talk how to send data to views. First of all, I have created two views files named as contact.blade.php and home.blade.php, and also I have created login.blade.php and register.blade.php. In every created file, I have extended previously created navigation bar and footer like this. For sending data to view file, have a look on desktop. So I have created the route get contact. So have a look on desktop. I have created route get, and I have given route as a function, and secondly I have returned welcome to my contact page. And the output of this program is 127.0.0.8000 and slash contact, and now we can view this. Sorry, I have made a small bug there by missing semicolon. And now let's move on the browser, and so again I have made mistake. So have a look on desktop, and the contact can be seen on the browser. So there arrives welcome to contact page. To create controller, first of all go to terminal, that is command prompt, and go to project folder. So in my case Kiran 1, then type php artisan make controller and controller name as contact controller. Then the controller will be created successfully. So you can have a look on the desktop. Let's check into the project. For that, go to app. So you can see that the controller has been created successfully, and uh, after paying that, uh, go to http. First of all, go to app and then http, similarly controller, and you will see the newly created controller there. For the database integration, first of all go to localhost/php myadmin, and there you can see the database named as Kiran, which is empty now. By default, Laravel framework has already created two tables. To view this table, go to database migration and you will have look on three tables, one for user and another for password. I am migrating these tables to the database without any changes. For that, go to .env file and rename db database Kiran as seen on the desktop and name root as password. Now let's type php artisan migrate. Then this table will be migrated in database successfully. You can see the results. Now I have used the CSRF token in the form for the protection of any users. CSRF is used for preventing from malicious attack, and the form is seen on the desktop. After that, now let's validate. For the validation, there is server-side validation. Let's have a look on desktop where $this validate request, and for that email and password is required. Now I want to enter into the another section. I have used Laravel default authentication by using this command php artisan makes auth. Let's have a look on the browser, and you can see there that is the final output. And for the register, you have to type name, email address, password, confirm password, and you can simply register by typing the name, email address, password, and confirm password. So I am doing and the Ram Thapa has been registered successfully, and I have completed the entire project successfully. Thank you.